Yeah, guys, I'm actually not lying. I'm actually better than my granddad at chess. My granddad's not the best chess player in the world. Actually, matter of fact, he has never really played chess. The only reason why he's kind of playing chess is because of me. He was trying to force me last year to play it, and I had zero interest in playing it. Chess is one of those games where you kind of need interest to play it. You want to be actually interested. You don't really want to be forced, because if you're forced, it's just not going to be the same. There's a bug crawling up my leg right now when I'm trying to fish. It's kind of annoying. And I just dropped my phone. I'll get my phone up. Don't you dare phone me again. I got it leaning up against my leg. Get off of me. Random bug. Well, now I just doomed them to die to a bass or something. Probably like a panfish. Panfish are the only safe fish to actually eat in here. Eat in this river. I am deeply surprised right now. And I have not caught a fish. Not even a thing. I like a good 10-pound test line. Like, you should be able to pull your line out. Have the drag set to where you can pull your line out with your hand. Because look, I probably have my drag set like that. It's actually not bad and kind of easy. That fish was about almost drag pulling on it. I'm not lying. I think it was maybe he fought, like he bended my rod, like into the water. Like he was really bending my rod. I thought he was gonna snap my line. For some reason, he didn't pull out any drag. That was, I think a fish just went and attacked my thing. I don't think it was big. I think it was kind of small. If it was a fish, it was probably like, oh my god, look at this big. Oh, it's a big coming down there. What's up with your fishing? Just having fun fishing. want to do a long cast out there. I should really probably be putting weight on here. But I mean, like even a pinch weight. But I'm like, it doesn't really matter. Oh, I just caught one. Small one. Got off. I don't know, I think my drag has loosened up since that fish, because that was a drag puller, and he wasn't putting up much of a fight at all. I think he was just that bass I called, no joke, was the same fish just bought. I'm gonna let him really take it. I'm gonna let him really take it once he's on there. I mean, I could just put on a small worm. He's probably like, I don't know if he's stupid enough to fall for it again. It matters how autistic this fish is. How autistic this fish is. He used to be a real autistic fish to get. Yeah, I'm just kind of talking today. Today's mostly just like a talking video while I fish. Not really doing anything too interesting to like record. I'm just fishing here at the bridge. What is it cracks? Well, this bridge is cracking. I probably should be underneath it. It's probably really dangerous to do what I'm doing right now. It's literally cracking. Bro, I know how many views this is. Bro, I know how many views this video is gonna get. It's gonna get like 1 or 2. These videos are gonna get like 1 to 3. I'll be surprised if they get more than that 3 views. But I mean, hey, not doing it for the money, just doing it for fun. I'm legit not doing this for the money at all. I'm just doing it for you guys' interest when you're bored at home of me just going there. I heard something like a gunshot or a firework. I think it's a firework. Even though fireworks are legal, a lot of people do them in this state. I mean, this town, it's mostly like the town of Drake. No, it's in like the whole state, yeah. It's in the whole state of Massachusetts. People do fireworks. Especially on the 4th of July. Pretty much, oh, another firework. It's not a gunshot, it'd be pop, 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 pop. But it was just one, like it was, I think it was a mortar or something. It makes sense if it was a mortar. Unfortunately, here in the north, you can't jug fish or yo-yo. I don't know if you can actually yo-yo fish or if you can trot line fish. You can't trot line fish or jug fish. You just can't leave any unintended lines. Because in the law they said, well, nobody's using the land or the water anymore for living off of the land or the water. So I don't need any of these things. Which I think is dumb. But if you go to the South or the Midwest, you can. Because people still, like, live off the land there and stuff. You know how much this place does get fishing pressure. I just wish I could take off the power lines over here, go out to power lines and just like clip them, take old fishing lures and everything. Because I could probably make thousands of dollars. And I have like at least like thousands of fishing lures. Well, I wouldn't care about the money, I'd care about the fishing lures. I mean, I got 2 today. So when I had like a big pinch on clamp lure, I think I'm gonna think about going. Fish haven't really, other than that little fish, haven't caught any big fish. Big fish aren't biting right now. Where I'm fishing is deep. Like hands on, there could be a shark in here and we wouldn't know. There'd be like a bull shark living in here. It's deep right in front of this bridge here. It gets wicked deep. I mean behind the bridge. It's technically behind front of the bridge if you're looking at it from downstream. If you're looking at it from wait, I want to stop and I'm going to take a picture. I don't know if I